Hello my dear students, welcome to mathematics class. Today I am here to discuss problem sums related to subtraction chapter. First of all, before starting problem sum solution, read the statement very carefully. I am going to read the statement. First sum, John buys a box of 64 pencils. 18 pencils are broken. How many pencils are not broken? That means we have total number of pencils, out of which how many pencils are broken? That are given 18. We have to find not broken pencils. So first of all, what you have to do in subtraction problem sum, you have to write the total numbers. What is the total number? 64 is the total number. John had 64 pencils. Now, how many pencils are broken? 18 pencils are broken. Now, we have to find not broken pencils. How many pencils are not broken? 64 minus 18. We will get not broken pencils. Now you have to check whether this subtraction sum is without borrowing or with borrowing. See the digits given in ones place. Here it is 4 and here it is 8. 8 is greater than 4. That means we have to borrow because this number is smaller than this number. So this 4 will borrow from 6. This 6 will become 5 and this 4 will become 14. 14 minus 8, 6. 5 minus 1, 4. Answer is 46 pencils. What you have to do in problem sums, remember one thing. You have to write answer on side like this. Answer is equal to 46 pencils. It is very important to write unit in problem sums. Now come to next question. Question number 2. A shopkeeper bought 63 tins of cheese spread. He sold 38 tins. How many tins are left? That means we have total number and then how many units are sold, that are given 38. We have to find left number. First of all, write total number of tins 63. Then write 38 tins sold. Now do subtraction. How many tins are left? 63 minus 38. 3 is smaller than 8, so there is need to borrow from the next place. This 3 will borrow from 6. 6 will become 5. And this 3 will become 13. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Clear? So answer is 25 tins. Right here answer is equal to 25 tins that are not sold or that are left with shopkeeper. Now come to question number 3. Problem sums. Salma bought a box with 55 strawberries. She ate 26 out of them. How many strawberries were left with her? Now total number of strawberries in box are given. She ate 26. We have to find the left number. remember this thing, when we have to find the left part, that means we have to subtract, not add. When we have to find the total number, in that case we add. When we have to find leftover part or remaining part or unsold part, then we always subtract. Now first of all, write places, tens and ones if it not given in exam. Then write the total number. Students, one more important thing. It is important to write. It is important to leave one box here for writing borrowing digit. Okay. So leave one box after writing places, and then write total number of strawberries in box. Then write number of strawberries she ate, and then subtract and find the leftover strawberries. 55 minus 26. See, 5 is smaller than 6. That means the number we have to subtract is greater than this number. In that case, we need to borrow. This 5 will borrow from 5. This 5 will become 4, and this 5 will become 15. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So, how many strawberries are left? Answer is equal to 29 strawberries. Now come to question number 4, problem sums. Banta Singh has 60 cows in his farm. He sold 35. How many cows are left? Again, we have total number of cows, then sold out. Then we have to find leftover part. So that means this is sum of subtraction. Now write places on top, tens and ones, because both numbers are two-digit numbers. Then write 60 and 35. 60 minus 35. See, we can't subtract 5 from 0. That means there is need to borrow from next place. This 6 will become 5 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. Answer is 25 cows that are not sold. Now come to question number 5. Janet has 65 marbles. Maria has 38 marbles. How many more marbles does Janet have than Maria? First of all, write places on top, tens and ones. Leave one box for writing borrowing digit. Write 65 marbles and then 38 marbles. Do subtraction, 65 minus 38. See, the digits given in ones place are 5 and 8. 5 is smaller than 8. That means there is need to borrow. Now this 5 will borrow from 6. This 6 will become 5 and this 5 will become 15. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Answer is 27 marbles. That means Janet has 27 more marbles. Homework. Do maximum practice of problem sums, because problem sums are fully dependent upon the practice. So do maximum practice. Only 5 problem sums are there in your 7.6